This is going to be for Koko Zaria. Nigeria police should arrest Koko Zaria. Nigeria police should arrest Koko Zaria. Okay? No retreat, no surrender. Nigeria police, because I read something. My lot about the consistency. Nigeria police, can you article? You want me to read? Koko Zaria, Nigeria police should get Koko Zaria arrested. IGP, get Koko Zaria arrested. And more than my local lórí page one to lórí one. Hallelujah, Nigeria IGP, get Koko Zaria. Yes, Gani Olayinka Oyedeko, get him arrested.
Life is a garden and everyone has their moment to bloom.
Okay, life is a garden. Everybody has their time to bloom. You understand me? That is update from Nigeria Police IGP Ebetoku. Okay, continue.
Recognize that your timing is unique.
Recognize your time is unique.
Clap for others when it's the season.
Clap for others when it's their season.
Keep watering yourself until
watering yourself
until you blossom at your own season.
Until you blossom, until you are bueno, okay? Blossom. Good English. IGP go.
Most of all, don't get pressured into a life of crime.
Most of us.
Most of all, don't.
Most of us. Okay, most of all. Don't get a life of.
Don't get pressured into a life of crime.
Okay, don't get pressure out of crime. Okay.
Into a life of crime.
Okay. The simple English is this. All right. This is the simple English. Nigeria Police Force is warning people that when other people are progressing, we should also try to clap for them. Don't be envious of others. Don't do what? Don't envy others. Clap for them, celebrate with them. All right? And you know, and life is a garden. Systematically, like it's trying to motivate. You understand me? It's trying to motivate. All right? Thank God for the knowledge. And knowledge is also power. But this is what I want. Is that everybody should be. You should try to avoid crime. All right? You should try to avoid crime. It's giving people. But what of those people who commit crime that they know in that nation, Nigeria, that we have been shouting every day that they do nothing about? What motivating us? I'm challenging Nigeria IGP. Yes, more challenging, sir. We've been calling a lot of people, a lot of criminals working in that system. Because when they are close to some people, then nothing being done about it. And then some people just because, and message they give you, the message you are giving, that message you are giving is actually for some people. It's actually for some people. Do you get me? It's actually for some people. And directly you know, but why? When this you motivating people, but some people who have committed the crime, why are they not being arrested? Why is some people being pardoned? Now, the little ones that are committing those crimes in Nigeria, they arrest them, they treat them. But the some in the system, big one, the big gun, they are not being touched. Or if anyone close to the power, or close to somebody that is in power at that current time, they are not being touched. Arrest Koko Zaria. Koko Zaria is a criminal. I'm here in Canada. I've said a lot of things that even a lot of big people, a lot of people in they call it personality. I begin also. Those things touch them, but I'm saying nothing but the truth. But because some people they believe they respect them more than the law of Nigeria. Nobody should be respected more than the law of Nigeria because a home. They don't call a man a country. They don't call a man a home. They call the majority carry the votes. People in Nigeria, they ṣe àwọn èèyàn tó wà ní Nigeria. Ẹ gbọ́, àwọn èèyàn tó wà ní orílẹ̀-èdè Nigeria kò ṣe ẹnìkan ní. The pressure is too much. Some people commit crime, they are not being touched. Koko Zaria should be arrested. And also we complain about the passport, the money, and those people who are doing the NIN. I call Nigeria government as a whole. That they should do something about that NIN. They're sending people's number, sending people identity. To people, they can tell you to go and do that NIN. And you'll be paying money apart from the money, wasting time. They said they are using it for bad things. They are using people's data for Boko Haram. Those in abroad. And nothing being done. We are saying all this. Nothing being done about all this. When people get to power, they just do things that pleases them. They do things that suit their family, suit the people around them. This is a taboo, this nonsense. A lot of killing. People will be killing. When you cause, mo ṣì sọ gbogbo ẹni tó pa bàbá ọmọ mi. Ọmọ yẹn ò ní dàgbà. Ẹni tó tún náwó ogun sí mi ní Canada. Ọmọ yẹn ò ní dàgbà. Gbogbo ẹni tó dààmú ayé mi. Ọmọ yẹn ò ní dàgbà. Tí mọ́mí mi bá wà nù wọn, èmi ní máa dàgbà nù ọmọ wọn. Ẹni tó bá dààmú ayé mi, ọmọ ò ní dàgbà. Nonsense. Koko Zaria should get arrested. Koko Zaria should be arrested. Somebody cannot be committing crime. The Nigeria is not meant, even if it's a party or some people are ruling, at that time, it's not for the ruling party alone. The Nigeria belongs to all Nigerians. Get Koko Zaria arrested. He's a terrorist. He's a killer. Offer Gomoyo Nyori. Face to face. I'm not fighting for anybody. We are just speaking for the rights of the country. Get Koko Zaria arrested. Gbogbo ẹni tó bẹ Koko Zaria láti fọ́ ìgòmọ́mọ́ lórí àgbogbo yín pátápátá. Ẹ máa ṣe òfò mọ́ after one or the other. Tẹ́ ń bẹ níṣẹ́ láti máa pa èèyàn. Ẹni ṣoríire. Koko Zaria is a terrorist. Gbogbo àwọn tó ń place terrorists on social media to destroy people so that they can be speaking for them. Ní jẹ́rẹ̀ ọmọ òní pẹ́ sí lọ́wọ́ lọ́jọ́ alẹ́. I don't care anybody. I don't expect anything from anybody. I expect from my God. You understand me? Me don't expect anything from anybody. I expect from God. And then tọ́lọ̀ ò bá dẹ̀ lè ṣe, kò sẹ́ni tó lè ṣe. And again, tọ́lọ̀ ń bá fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan tẹ́nìkan bá dúró sọ́nà fún mi. Ọlọ́run tó bá lọ fẹ́ block mi àbọ́mọ mi. Ọlọ́run á pa ìdá bẹ̀ sọnù. Ikú burúkú ló máa kú. Abẹ́ ti ya wèrè rí ni. I am favored together with my daughter. Ẹ ti gbọ́ nípa ọmọ tí a gbàdúrà ká tó, tí a jàjẹ́ sára àdúrà ká tó gbà ní, ká tó bí. Koko Zaria must get arrested. Ó ní mo kọ nǹkan tí IGP sọ yẹn. IGP, you are preaching that they should stay away from crime. What about those people who commit the crime that you are looking? You turn the office of Nigeria, you turn the office to a joking place, a place that all of you just go and get the money and then protect the crime. Is that not so? You beat around the bush. Even what do they call it? I want the FBI, no, EFCC. I want no, but I want to go. All of them, people in power, these people are close to power now. They get bribes from those people, and they just put the picture outside like this for you to see. They put the picture outside for you to see that they're looking for this person, this criminal, and the next thing they collect bribe already from those ones, and they forget it. Mama Gbewasi is coming. But ẹnikẹ́ni tó sọ pé orílẹ̀-èdè yẹn tó ń ṣèkà fún àwọn èèyàn láti ṣe ìdùnnú Ọlọ́run máa ṣèkà fún ẹ tó máa ń ṣèkà fún ọmọ ọlọ́mọ Ọlọ́run á ṣèkà fún ọmọ ẹ gbogbo ẹni tó ń ṣe bí èèyàn gidi tó dẹ̀ jẹ́ èèyàn burúkú ni tó ń sọ̀pọ̀tì kà lẹ́yìn Ọlọ́run á padà lẹ́yìn gbogbo yín Ọlọ́run á fojú yín gbolẹ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń waste ẹ̀yin spirit of wasters ẹ̀yin àbàkọ́kọ́ ṣòbò you canker you devour you evil ones the Lord will destroy you. Kí ni mo sọ fún yín Ọlọ́run ń bínú ìbínú Ọlọ́run ẹ̀dẹ̀ mọ nǹkan tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ Ọlọ́run bínú sí àwọn kan Ọlọ́run bínú sí yín tí olódodo kan bá dẹ̀ wà ń bì kan tí ó bá dẹ̀ sọ tòótọ́ the Almighty God nígbà tí ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ìdájọ́ ẹlẹ́ṣẹ̀ yẹn bá dé olódodo bẹ̀ máa pín you see you joking with God you what you call God kí lẹ fọlọ́run pè náà ta lẹ fọlọ́run pè ṣé vampire lẹ fọlọ́run pè ṣé eléyìí ṣàkàṣàkà lẹ fọlọ́run pè ní àbí kí lẹ fọlọ́run pè àbáwọn tó ti jẹ́ra láyé lẹ fọlọ́run pè kí lẹ fọlọ́run pè Koko Zaria must get wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ mú Koko Zaria IGP stop preaching to us a lot of criminal walking around a lot of criminal walking around stop preaching walk not that they be all of you will be dancing watching gbogbo yín pátá ìjọba tó lọ yẹn náà wọ́n ṣe wo Facebook títí wọ́n fi lọ nìyẹn wọ́n ṣe wo ìjọba tó lọ APC yẹn náà Facebook yìí náà àtìgbà tán ti dé ní fúrákà ti dé wọ́n wo Facebook tán fi lọ ni They are serious. Nothing won't serious on on serious elements. You see them there, you'll be mama share with mama the motivator. They say you should work. A lot of criminals, but Boniba to one job I did. Reason them even I pray for the government when they come in new. I pray that God should, you know, it's because I believe that they're going to tackle all the criminals. Why criminals getting more power? When the people don't have to do mom come and leje. Tí ló bá ti toro, a jẹ́ pé ọba tó bá be o dára. Ẹ̀yin ti den ṣe president number 1 nìkan ló wà ńbẹ̀. Police is there, custom is there. EFCC is there, immigration is there, everybody. What is it? Elo ṣiṣẹ́. Get Koko Zaria arrested. I want to get arrested. I am not surprised. I am not surprised. To be kindly, a lot of police actually, story of Ọlọpa. Okay, she mo use Ọlọpa gan. We are not surprised. I'm not saying you, but a lot of police. Actually, a lot of Ọlọpa to pay. There was a time, one white guy, investor as an investor, came to Nigeria to invest money. Like long time ago, going to be around 29 to 30 years ago. Yeah. Ni first quarter. There is one dispatch rider. Ọlọpa dispatch rider to one fulara one by. They gave him a dispatch rider anodly. That is dispatch rider. Like security, like those police to guide these people. They are white people. Do you know what? The police, not all of them, but one of the police, when these people was robbed and one of them was assassinated, the police dispatch rider, one of them was among the people who robbed them. So we have been seeing a lot of things. We don't know anybody. Even the people working in the power, the people Ọlọpa, everybody. Criminal is too much in Nigeria. No label. Do you understand? No label. So we don't want to hear story. Get Koko Zaria arrested. Hey, get Koko Zaria arrested. I dislike you. If I dislike one, I say, can you confirm for no way? Hey, can you allow me for your information? You can only lie against people. You can only plan to kill somebody. But despite that, you are not my creator. Okay? So, get Koko Zaria arrested. No Koko Zaria arrested. No more respect for you. IGP Egbetokun. Get him arrested. Command the commissioner of that Lagos State to get him arrested. Let him be queried. All the case charged to court. If they say they call him in police station. The case already. They should take it to court. If they already have an IPO on the case, they should take it to court. Don't cover criminals. Anybody that cover criminal is a criminal. And criminal is not worthy to be a police. I'm not saying you, and I'm not saying anybody. But a lot of criminals in the system. And a criminal is not worthy to rule. A killer. People who have a criminals, they are not permitted to rule any country. Say no to killing and say no to bullshit. IGP, get Koko Zaria arrested. Get Koko Zaria arrested. Take ni ma ṣe. Ebo. Koko Zaria kill the father of my baby. Oh, ni assassin. To ma nbe kakiri. To be killing people. You know all these people. And you refuse to do something about it. And they're wasting people's time. Say no to killing. IGP. Nigeria IGP. Arrest Koko Zaria. Oh, kafi ekpe ṣe fún yín. Mama ma ṣe fún yín báyìí o. Bed Moso, you cannot do more than kill it. And you cannot kill me. Listen and listen good. You cannot kill me. Nobody can kill me. Because if you don't know, one my jaguku ni. Bed Moso fún. One my jaguku, you know what? Ni sinimo. Titi aye ma fi pare. One dem ma pa gbogbo ìran wọn ni. Ìran wọn ò ní dàgbà. Ọmọ tó bá bí lé wọn, àtọkùnrin, àtobìnrin kò ní dàgbà. Child shit. Arrest Koko Zaria. They be telling you, clap for this. They be messing up with your life. Is that what they send you to go and do there? You be collecting salary. They put all of you there. Aye, nobody will go back. Anybody ta jeru ke ma gbowo okuta. Ko sen to ba se buburu, ti oni gba buburu. You kill somebody's children, the Lord Almighty God will destroy your children themselves. Koko Zaria must be arrested. Simple as that. Bye.